welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will share with you how to cut back round bulb bushes. When we bought this house, we noticed that these bushes are so huge and definitely need some cutting done. I'm not an expert, but I just used my hair cutting experience and knowledge. There is a difference between trimming it and cutting it back. The trimming is when you just cut those new grown out branches or leaves that is sticking out and you just make it round and cute. And the bonus, you don't need to worry about cutting them back, making them small for another 2 to 3 years. All you need to do, just kind of trim it a little bit, and that's it. For an easy cleanup, I decided to use a garbage bag. So I'm just gonna show you what trimming is. So you're just cutting off those little branches that have been grown out. So the landscapers you hire, that's exactly what they're doing. They're just trimming off those little branches that have been grown out and make it cute and round. So cutting a bag requires a lot more. You just go in there and just cut off as much as you can. Almost make it like small and naked, but don't worry, it will grow back. It will grow back cute and round and small. My husband and I were just kind of trying to cut them back as much as we can, just to make them look small. And at the same time, it is healthy for these bushes because then they have room to grow and grow new branches and leaves. So you're making it much healthier, cutting it back instead of trimming it. And of course, we're not done. We needed to stop due to weather. We had a huge thunderstorm that day, but you know it's a big plus because our lawn and our garden definitely needs some free water. And then we continued the next day. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next videos. Bye.